previous video, we have learned how to create and display nodes in the linked list. Okay. So in this video, we are going to learn how to perform insert operation in the singly linked list. So we'll start with the main function. See here, I have included option 3 for insert at the beginning, 4 for insert at the end, 5 for insert after a node, and 6 insert before a node. Now my 7 becomes exit. So in while loop, we have to change CH choice less than 7, and accordingly we have to increase the case statement also. Case 3 insert at the beginning, case 4 insert at end, case 5 insert after, and case 6 insert before. We'll start with our function insert at the beginning. So I'll make all other statements, all other functions as common statement. Okay. So we'll make these statements as common statement, and we'll try to solve with the insert at the beginning. So we are now interested in creating insert at begin function. So here again, we need to create a new node and enter value for the node. Already we have done it in previously in create function itself. So this is the code. So we are going to copy the same thing, and we are going to do insert at the beginning. Okay. Okay, now we are finished with insert at the beginning. Now once we have, no, not finished with insert at the beginning, we have created a new node and we have entered value for that node. So this new node, we have to make it as a start node. So our start node will be this new node. But before doing this, we have to make a link between the new node and the already existing list. So new node next should point to already existing list start. So already existing list first node is start. So after making this, now the new start should be the new node. So these two lines will do the job for us for inserting the node at the beginning. Now we'll run the code and see. Okay, first we need to create a list. Let me take create list. Okay, with 3 nodes, 10, 20 and 30, and we'll insert the node at the beginning, enter the value of the node. So I want to insert say 50 as first node. Now if I give the display, it should be 50, 10, 20, 30. 50, 10, 20, 30. See, insert at the beginning works fine. Now we will exit is 7. Okay, we'll exit and we'll get back to our work. Okay. We'll include a slash in here so that the list will be printed in the next line. Next is we have to insert at the end. Okay. Okay, I'll remove this comment line. Then we'll go try to work with insert at the end. Void insert at end. Okay, pa? No, insert end, I think I don't know what's the name I have given. Insert at end only. Okay. Now here also again we have to create the new node. There is no doubt about it. So we will create the new node. Okay. Now next is we have to traverse till the end and add this node as the last node. This also we have done in the create part. So starting from the first node, we'll be using another pointer variable ptr, and we'll be moving to the last node, and then we will add that new node as the last node. So this also we have done in create. So this is same as insert at the end. Oh, it will work fine. We'll check with that. Okay. Now enter your choice. One, always I'll use 3 nodes. Let my node be 1, 2 and 3. Display, so it's displayed 1, 2, 3. To insert some node at the beginning. So 3, let it be 20. Display it 20, 1, 2, 3. It's working fine. Insert at the end. Insert at the end option is 4. Now it should work. You enter the value of the node. What node I want to insert? Let me say 100. I want to insert 100. So if I display, it should be 50, 1, 2, 3 and 100. 50, 1, 2, 3 and 100. It's 50 or 20. So the value is 20 here. So 20, 1, 2, 3 and 100. Okay, so insert at the beginning and at the end is working fine. Fine. Now next we need to go with insert after a node. Insert after a node. Okay, yes, fifth choice is insert after node. So remove this comment statement. Okay, and coming back here, void insert after, right? Insert after, open bracket, close bracket. Okay, now here again we need to create the new node. Okay, and get a value for the new node to be inserted. So I'm first copying down. To be inserted, we'll have like this. Okay, enter the value of the node to be inserted. Here also enter the value of the node to be inserted. Okay. Okay, now after a node. Okay, see here, suppose say for example this is our list 20, 1, 2, 3 and 100, and I want to insert a node after this 2. So if I say I want to insert a node after 2, means that is in between 2 and 3 I need to insert. So in between 2 and 3 means I have to use two pointers. One is to point to 2 and another one is to point to 3. So 2 pointer I call it as pre-pointer and 3 pointer I call it as pointer, PTR. Okay, pre-PTR and PTR. So once I have these two nodes in between which I want to insert, then obviously I can rearrange the pointer of pre-pointer next to new node and new node next to pre-pointer. So we are going to use 2 pointers to insert after. So, and both that pointer will first point to start. So PTR is equal to start and pre-PTR is equal to PTR. Okay, now you have to insert after this 2, means you're going to place this pre-pointer here. So what condition you have to check? You have to make pre-pointer data not equal to some number. Okay, so that number we have to get, not equal to num. So that number we have to get. Okay, so before this, we can use a printf statement. Enter the node after or before after which you want to insert. Okay, after which you want to insert. If you get this, if you get this in one variable name, see I'm getting this number after node number after which I want to insert in num. Okay, so use scanf within quotes %d ampersand num to get this value, and inside this you are going to make pre-PTR to point to PTR first, and PTR you will be making to move to the next cell. So by doing this, both your pre-PTR and PTR will be placed in next location. Okay, in next location. So this has to be done until your pre-PTR is pointing to say 2 in this particular example. Okay, once you have done this, the next step is you have to make pre-PTR next. You have to place new node in between PTR and pre-PTR. So pre-PTR next should be new node, and new node next should be equal to PTR. So by doing this slight adjustment, we will be able to insert the new node after this 2. So pre-PTR will be pointing to 2 and PTR will be pointing to 3 in this particular example. Okay, the code is over. We have removed the command line after insert after. Let us run and see. There are some errors I have made. Okay, in scanf. So here also equal to should come. In scanf, comma I have to give. Have I declared num? Num is declared. Okay. Okay, run the code. Okay, no error. So create 3 nodes, 10, 20, 30. I don't know what will be displayed. Okay, 10, 20, 30 only is displayed. Okay. Now insert at the beginning. Some 55 you insert. So 55, 10, 20, 30. And insert at the end. Some 99 you insert. So 55, 10, 20, 99. Now between 20 and 30. So insert after the node 20. Okay. So 5. Enter the value to be inserted. What value I want to insert? 35 I want to insert. Enter the node after which you want to insert. After which I want to insert. After 20 I want to insert. Now if you display, it should be 55, 10, 20, 35, 30 and 99, right? See here 55, 10, 20, 35, 30 and 99. This code works. Okay. Now one more insert operations we have, that is insert before a node. Again you remove this command line. Okay. Now this insert before is very simple. Here again we'll be using 2 pointers. Okay. So insert before means, say for example, before this 35 we want to. Here again we'll be using pre-pointer and pointer, and accordingly we have to adjust. So only this while loop is going to change. Instead of this is insert after. Now change the code. Insert before. See, we have created a new node. We have entered the value. We have used 2 pointer, pre-pointer and pointer. We got the number. See here, instead of pre-pointer, we have to check the uh, condition in while loop, PTR data not equal to num. So we'll be checking this PTR data not equal to null, and after that, before that we are going to insert. So we will make pre-PTR here and PTR. Suppose we want to include before 35. Your PTR will be in 20 and pre-PTR will be in, PTR will be in 35 and pre-PTR will be in 20. So PTR data not equal to none. So again, you are identifying the 2 nodes in between which you want to insert. Since it is before, you are checking the condition for PTR. Since this function is after, you are checking the condition for pre-PTR. That's all. Rest all is one and the same. Okay. Now you try and execute this code. Now we have completed all 4 functions. So let me try with all 4 functions. 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now display 10, 20, 30 displayed. Now insert at the beginning. Enter the value to be inserted 22. So if you display 22 should come first. Correct. Again, fourth is insert at the end 44. Okay. Now if you display 22 will be at the first 10, 20, 30 and 44. Okay. Now insert a node after this 20. Okay. So we'll try with 5. Value to be inserted is, let me take 33. Okay. So after which node? After 20 you insert. So 22, 10, 20, 33, 30, 44 should come. Let me try. It's working fine. Now before 20, okay, we will try to insert some 11. Okay. So before a node, we'll go with 6. This is a new function we have developed right now. Enter the value of the node to be inserted. Value of the node is 11. And insert the node after 11. Here it should be before. We'll change it. Before which you want to insert. I want to insert before 20. So what should be the answer? 22, 10, 11, 20, like that it should come. So display and see. See, 22, 10, 11, 20, 30, 33. Fine. See, this code is working well. The only thing is, since we have copy pasted the code, here I forgot to change before. So with this, the code will perform all 4 insertion operation. We have learned So likewise, you go through the video fully. Try to code each and every function in an incremental fashion as I have explained in this video. It will give a clarity on how to work. We need not touch previous function and all. Only we have to check error in the current function. Okay, this will help you to learn better. Thank you.